Welcome to CAAN Tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're talking about creating privacy with fencing. Let's dive into the top tips and tricks to make your outdoor space private and cozy. First, choose the right material. Wood and vinyl are great options because they block views entirely. Wood has a natural look, while vinyl is low maintenance and durable. For a modern style, metal or composite fences also work well when designed with minimal gaps. Next, consider fence height. A 6 to 8 foot fence typically provides enough privacy for most backyards. Just be sure to check local regulations before you build. Want more privacy? Add plants. Shrubs, hedges, or vines on a trellis can increase height and give your fence a natural, beautiful look while absorbing noise. And don't forget design. Horizontal slats, lattice tops, or shadow box styles can add flair while keeping your yard private. Finally, think about lighting. Adding lights to your fence boosts security and creates a welcoming vibe. To recap, pick the right material for your needs. Ensure the height gives you the privacy you want. Use plants for extra coverage, add design elements for style, and include lighting for security. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Need professional help? Contact us via the number or website below. See you next time.